Toyota Land Cruiser 300 GR Sport. The legendary Toyota Land Cruiser returns for 2026, reimagined for a new generation, now smaller, smarter, and hybrid-powered, yet still engineered to conquer trails like its iconic predecessors. Sporting a rugged yet refined look, the silhouette, classic round heritage, headlights, and a signature grille that pays tribute to its roots. Compact in size but bold in character, it's equally suited for tight trails and urban commutes. Inside, the cabin blends practicality with modern comfort. Higher trims include ventilated leather-trimmed seats, a 10-speaker audio system, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rubberized flooring and intuitive controls ensure it's ready for both family journeys and off-road escapades. Under the hood, a 2.4L turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid system delivers a confident 326 horsepower mated to an 8-speed automatic and full-time 4WD. It may be smaller than the outgoing V8, but it's notably more efficient and responsive. With a 0 to 60 mph time of 7.7 seconds, this SUV isn't built for speed. It's engineered to pull, climb, and endure. Its 6,000 lb towing capacity, locking, center differential, crawl control, and hill descent assist solidify its status as a true all-terrain machine. Despite the hybrid powertrain, real-world fuel economy averages around 21 mpg on the highway, a clear improvement over previous fuel-thirsty models. Pricing for the 2025 Land Cruiser starts at $58,195, while the fully loaded variant reaches up to $62,965. It's not exactly budget-friendly, but in the world of off-road-ready luxury, it strikes a compelling balance of value, capability, and trusted Toyota reliability. If you love cars built with purpose, strength, and timeless appeal, this SUV deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and upcoming car reveals.